which organ in the body creates the most toxins for you?
Which organ in the body
Brian, give
creates
us
the
some
most
ideas.
toxins for you? Is it the liver or the kidneys? I'd say the kidneys.
Intestines.
Pretty good guess. There.
Intestines.
No.
How'd you guys
How
all
about
know that?
them?
That's so good.
How about it?
Very proud of you. Look at them over there. They're high-fiving. All right. It is, in fact, the intestines.
It is the intestines.
This is something that
You
most
got
people
it.
don't appreciate. But if I show you your colon here, I'm not just showing you where the food goes in and gets cleansed and gets tossed out. There are bacteria inside your colon. And they're making good and bad things. Some of them are hurtful to you. So you have to continually flush out the colon.
Okay.
Okay? So I want you to do me a favor. I want you to just look at the intestinal system. Look at the stuff. See the greenish material there?
Yeah.
That's food that's remaining there, right? Now, there's
Interesting.
2 things you can do to help with colon detoxification. The first is to eat high-fiber whole grains.
Okay.
What kinds of whole grains do you eat?
Whole grains, right? Oh, well, I love fiber bars. Does that count for anything?
Fiber bars count, but if I was asking you for a real food that came out of the ground, what would you pick?
Like pasta?
Yes.
Meaning, like,
We need to have a discussion about this.
We do. I'm in
Okay.
trouble.
No, you're not in trouble. You're like a lot of folks, right? You know, it gets confusing, but this is not a difficult concept. They're
Okay.
whole grains that come out of the ground with their fiber in them
Okay.
have phosphorus in them. And phosphorus actually flushes your insides out. It's a natural laxative. Help the
Okay.
good guys, get rid of the bad guys.
Okay.
Fair enough?
Yes,
Thank you
fair
very
enough.
much.
Thank
I got
you.
the final detox system in your body. Don't put your gloves on. The final system of the body is something that you all probably thought about, because when you go to the bathroom, it helps you, right? It's your kidneys.
The final
Are you
system of the
surprised with
body
kidneys at all?
are your
No, I was going to
kidneys.
say kidney, because you need that to go urinate and stuff.
Helps
You gotta clean yourself out.
Right.
clean yourself
Most
out.
people think it's only about
So
getting the
it's
water
needed.
out of your body, right? If you drink water, you flush it out.
Right.
But the kidneys are actually important because they generally and constantly filter the blood. In fact, they will filter out
the
every
kidneys
40 minutes
filter the blood,
all the blood.
So it's not
in your
like
body.
mud.
Every 40 minutes, your entire body is clean.
Every 40 minutes,
So,
your
to boost
entire
your kidney
body's
and
clean.
detoxify, there are a couple things we have to do. And just right now, before talking about
If you want to
detoxing, I'll give you 2
detoxify,
quick ideas.
a couple
The
things you should
foods
do.
that are soy product foods, miso, tofu, edamame. Right, you all heard of those, right?
Eat
They
some
actually
soy
are
product
diuretic.
foods.
They actually flush out more fluid. They help the kidney get
They
rid
help
of fluids
flush
that are
out
inside of
fluid.
them, together with the toxins that might be inside as well.
Together
So you
with
want those
toxins
kind
that
of
might
foods
be
in your
inside.
diet. And you also want cruciferous vegetables, right? Do you like broccoli and cauliflower?
Cruciferous?
Broccoli. It is probably
Cruciferous
of all the
vegetables.
detoxifying foods, I will put those as number 1. So I'm now giving you a couple
Detoxifying
foods that we could
foods.
all take every
Soy
single
and
day.
veggies.
But for a detox to truly work, there have to be 3 key organs. These 3 that are supported. You have to have enough nutrients in the detox. You'll do that continuously. And you have to have the nutrients that your brain needs to stay nourished. Because detoxes aren't just about cleansing out the intestines. They're about getting the entire body to get rebooted. So I did it by homework. I called my friends. We did the best research we could to find out what would be the perfect, the ultimate 48-hour detox you could make in your
Perfect
life.
food detox.
Are you curious about it?
Yes.
All right. Well, I tried it myself.
Here it is. He tried
I
it
was a
himself.
guinea pig. I've shared it with some friends. It works. It's simple.
He thinks
and
it's good.
easy for all of you at home to try
easy
this
for all to
weekend.
try.
So I'm going to take you through my plan when we come back, so stay tuned.
Going to check out the plan of Dr. Oz soon.
Coming
Health
up,
tips
a detox.
will
Dr. Oz takes
become
you
about
through each step of the cleanse.
It's not bad, is it?
a detox that might just work, that helps keep the whole
Breakfast,
body
lunch, dinner, even
check.
snacks, everything you need.
This is my favorite of them all.
Revitalize.